Hey, hello guys, Brian back with the Kaspa cost token update. And first things first, I want to apologize so much for yesterday. The audio on my video was absolutely horrid, and I don't know what happened. I think I had a broken microphone. That's the only thing I can come up with there. I think one of the wires inside of it was busted or something. So I went out and got a new one, and we won't have that problem again. I am so sorry for that. You have no idea how much I apologize. I wanted to just take the video down immediately, but I had too much time in uploading them, and by the time it was getting too many people were seeing it by the time I found out, and I apologize. I really do. I don't pride myself on making poor videos, that's for sure, and my utmost apologies. You got my word, it won't happen again. So yesterday we were talking about these 5 waves up and then a correction after those 5 waves, and we got our 5 waves up, and we are having a little bit of a correction now. We're down 3.93% as I'm making this video, and at the end of this video, guys, I am going to show you some very realistic price predictions for Kaspa, okay, by taking the market cap, the circulating supply. I'm going to show you real numbers that make sense, okay. People throw stuff out there that is totally ridiculous, and I'm going to show you some things that should get you excited about holding the coin, number one, and give you some hope, because it's solid, it's numbers, it's solid facts, okay. So let's get into this, guys, and if you would, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're interested, there's a link in the description of the video for KuCoin. They sent me a thing for my subscribers. If you sign up for KuCoin with the link in the description, you get 20% off your trading fees for life, and that's just for members of our group. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and go check it out. So alright guys, let's get into this thing here, okay. First off here, let's put our lines back on here so we know what's going on here, and we'll see. Boy, we had a pretty good drawdown there for a minute, and it almost sucked that thing the whole way back up, but that thing went down 8% there in about an hour. We had a big drawdown. You can see down there at the bottom, looks like a big red candle there too. Somebody sold off right here. They were probably expecting a correction up here, some trader or something, and sold off. I kind of hate when people do that. They watch it ride the 5 waves up, and then they sell, which to each his own, whatever. Then they buy back in when the correction's over, then they ride it back up, sell it, and I don't know, it kind of hurts you come tax time, that's for sure. But let me see here. I want to show you guys, we were talking about the 5 waves yesterday, and when I made the video yesterday, I was saying we were going to need one more wave up, and we got it. Just barely took out that 3 wave, but you can see we got that 5th wave right up there, okay. So after a 5 wave, you're going to expect a correction, okay. Now I don't know if this thing is over yet. It's looking something like this here, okay. I didn't expect that thing to go that deep. I would have expected maybe here or something, but that ABC went pretty deep there, okay. After you're done with that correction, we should be working on another 5 waves up. So you have 5, 3, 5. That's how these waves go. 5 up, 3 down, 5 up. So I would bet we're not going to go deeper than that. I have no idea why it would have pulled down that far, but it did. So that's the facts. And let's put these RSIs on the bottom here. You can see that 1 hour is getting ready to head back up. Let me look at something real quick here before we get back into that here. Let me see if Bitcoin did anything odd. Nope, it's still holding support up there. It looks fine. The hourly on it is just getting ready to take off again here. So now Bitcoin looks fantastic. It broke that 30,000, and we've been talking about that for days and days and days. You know, it did its 5 waves up there. You can see the 5 waves right here, and of course we're going to need a correction here. So that is absolutely just normal. So let's get back to costs here. JK, there we go. Let's get back on this chart here, okay? So I believe that we're not going any deeper than that, okay? We have solid support down here, right there at that 0.032016. You can see the whole way back through that. We're right back through here. This has been support for a long time. We're not going to break that. That thing's going to hold. Not financial advice, guys. Please look to someone qualified for that, but I'm betting that we're fine. I think this thing is going to bounce back from here, but let's look at the rest of these RSIs and see where they're at. The 2 is almost at the bottom. The 4 is on its way down. The daily is just starting up. That's fantastic. I love to see that. The 8 hour is at the top, and the 12. And the 12 is near the top. So yeah, we could be expecting a small pullback here. Nothing out of the normal, that's for sure. That like I said, that's what you expect after these. I just didn't expect it to draw down that deep. I think somebody sold off a major amount there. What does that come to on there? 32, almost 33 million coins were sold right there. 33 million. So yeah, that would cause a little bit of a dip, but as you can see, it got sucked right back up. That thing shot down. If we look at this on, let's break this down once, we can look at this a little bit deeper. Put that on the 15-minute chart. Wow, look at that. Isn't that something? It's almost like somebody did it on purpose. See that red candle, the red? Look at the immediate green candle right after that. It's like someone tanked the price on purpose, okay? And then then they came in and bought it right back down there at that bottom. You know, that's what it looks like. Look at these candles. You can't tell me that that don't make sense, you know? You got that red candle tanking the price from up here down there, and then you got this big green candle stepping in here and buying that whole thing right back up. So kind of weird. I don't know. It's kind of weird how this market works sometimes, but so just expecting a correction here, and then we should be on our way back up here. Let's go through this real quick. Here's your top 100 crypto bubbles out there. This is for the day. Okay, you can see tons of green there. Here's for the hour. So lots of green popping back up. An hour ago, most of these were red. So I'm expecting another bump in the market here. Things are looking very, very good. So your crypto fear and greed index, the market cap is up 4.34%. Look at that volume, 55.5%. That's great. Bitcoin dominance is up to 45.3%, and we are at a 68 for the crypto fear and greed indicator. We were at a 62 yesterday. Still in the greed. And here's your top gainers and top losers from Coin Market Cap. And we can go down through them here. Look on the right hand side, really small losses, nothing major at all. So things are looking great right now for the crypto market. All right, so let's get into this cost price prediction and what we could realistically look at for the next bull run. Okay, right now we have a market cap of 601 million. All right, that's pretty small. We have a circulating supply. That's coins that are out there in circulation, 62% of them, 17 billion. All right. So one thing I want to show you guys first, because you might have missed this video I put out a while ago about Kaspa. If you would have got in when this thing first launched, let me show you some numbers just real fast. Will only take a second. Okay. Point, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 16.99. And say you wanted to buy, I don't know, say you wanted to buy 1 million 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. You got in right when this thing came out, June 1st of 2022, when it came on CoinMarketCap, and you wanted to buy 1 million Kaspa tokens. It would have cost you $170. $170 for 1 million coins. Isn't that crazy? That's why I love crypto. And very similar. That's about what Gala Games was when it came out. I got 250,000 Gala for $37.70. $37, and it went up to 83 cents. So it's insane. If you get in these right projects at the right time, boy, oh boy, you can really, really do well in this market, you know. And no, I didn't sell the top. I wish I would have, that's for sure. That would have been fantastic. Off a $170 investment, that would have been $200,000. That's that's a pretty good profit. All right, so let's get into this here, okay? For Kaspa, let's say for cost to reach $1, okay? If we take, let's see here, if we take $1 times the circulating supply, 17,863, 497. 975. Okay, that would give us a market cap of $17 billion. Okay, now this is going to be in a bull run. All right, this is a historical snapshot of November. This is in November when the market, the last bull run in 2021. Actually, it was November 1st, but they don't have a November 1st snapshot. And you can see Bitcoin was over $1 trillion. Ethereum was at 546 billion. That's about what Bitcoin is at right now. Okay, so you can see these numbers. All right, so for Kaspa in a bull run, shoot, we lost it there. I think it was 17 billion. All right, it would have to be right in line with like Chainlink, Uniswap, somewhere around a Litecoin, somewhere right around there. Is that possible? Absolutely. 17 billion in a bull run? Absolutely. 100% possible to hit $1, okay? Now let's see what $2 would bring here, okay? For a $2 Kaspa times 17,863, 497, 975. 35 billion. Okay, 35 billion for a $2 Kaspa. 35 billion. We would have to be right around where Dogecoin was at. Okay, now granted, this is the last bull run. These numbers are going to be probably double. Bitcoin is going to be over 100 grand, so it's going to be close to $2 trillion. Ethereum is going to be over $1 trillion. Okay, so for Kaspa, Dogecoin's probably going to be over $60 billion. You know what I mean? So these numbers here, these are from 2021. These are all going to probably be doubled. Okay, so Terra's, well, they're gone now. Avalanche, they're probably going to be at 40. Uniswap's probably going to be at 30. But for Dogecoin, it's probably going to be at 70. But for us to hit 30, the 30, what was it? 35 billion for a $2 Kaspa? Absolutely. I 100% believe that with the community that's behind this thing, and the listings keep happening, the projects coming out. I absolutely believe this thing has a legitimate shot at hitting the $2 range. So, and who's to say the bull run after that, who knows, $4 or $5. I'm not saying it can't go higher than $2, but $2, I think that's a very realistic target. Okay, $2 Kaspa, $35 billion market cap. We're at $500 million right now. Okay, so that is a $500 million. What is that? 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that? 60x to get to 35. Okay, 35 divided by 0.5. Whoops. Divided by 0.5. A 70x. Okay. A 70x, that's nothing. I've seen 100x's, I've seen 1000x's. Yeah, so $2 Kaspa, very much reality, okay? And if you could have got that, if you did get in down here at the bottom, and you ended up getting 1 million of these coins for $170, congratulations. You're a genius, and I envy you, because who knows, that's going to turn out to be a few million dollars, I'm sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to break this down realistically. People throw stuff out there, they just throw numbers out there, and with no backing or anything like that. You have to look at market caps and stuff like that. Okay, so we would have to hit Dogecoin or Shiba Inu territory next bull run, and these are all going to be doubled themselves. So we would be down around the absolutely, I totally believe that. I really do. So thank you so much, guys. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and have a fantastic night.